Missed call notification not showing on Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. Now heading to the video, first you click on your settings option. Once you open your setting options, click on notifications. Once you click on notifications, here you will find multiple options, but you have to click on app notifications. And here you will find an option of phone. Click on that. Once you click on phone, you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of allow full screen notifications to take up the full screen when a missed call comes. So make sure it is turned on. Like for your example, I turned it off. You have to make sure it's turned on, and this is how you will receive the notifications of a missed call. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.